What do you want, Simpsons?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
Say again. Say egg.
Burger.
Spider.
Air.
Spider.
Air.
Dad.
Air.
Mum.
Mum.
Dad.
Dad.
Nan.
Mum.
Nan.
Nan.
Spider.
No.
Dog.
No.
Bee.
No.
Egg.
No. Go bee. No bee.
Spider.
No bee.
A bee. What do bees do? Does it? Yeah? Did we go to the farm today? Did we go to the farm? Who's that? Riley. You can't push it because it will turn off. Riley, where did we go today?
No, go.
Where did we go? Did we go to the farm? Did we see ducks? What did we see? And what do they do? Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Good boy. Did we see a sheep? Did we see a horse? They were big, weren't they? Did we go on a train? And what about the bus? A bus? Can you say bus? Say bus. Bus. Was the bus all wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly? Yeah. You can't push it because it will turn off. Yeah. Are you beautiful?
No.
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 You're not beautiful. Have you got a big belly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you got your wellies on? I love your wellies. What? Are you on your scooter? Are you clever? Oh, it's back on! Simpsons! Where are you going to sit and watch the Simpsons? Oh, good boy.